Hello, thank you for joining us with this task of website authoring. We'll be looking at the concept of resizing an image. Now we have the ability to use the last web page we were using. Let's just have a look at that. And this is what we did in the last session. If it opens, okay, we realigned. We made these different, but we're looking at this image here of the image called Remora. Now Remora has a particular size and it's taking up 3 columns, so it's 3 rows, so its row span is 3. What we asked to do is to resize this to 80 pix. So let's go into the file where the image is, and here it is, the image Remora, Alt Remora logo. Now we're going to another attribute called width. Now the width, we want it to be 80 pix, 80 px. Now let's save that as let's call it Remora 2. Whoops. Well, that's working. That's fine. So Remora 2, and we've got now, let's run that and have a look at see how this 80 pix has made a difference. So the width of 80 pix, we've adjusted the width. It's kept the what they call, it's maintained the aspect ratio. So if there was a box to tick, we could tick maintain aspect ratio, but all we had to do was adjust the width to 80 pix, and the length has also been adjusted. Now we've got the next task we were asked is to use the image to make a hyperlink to a web page called remora.htm. Now there is a web page in here called remora.htm. We've already got it ready. So let's just have a look at the web page we want to open. We want to open this web page. So that's the web page we want to open. Let's close that. Close that current tab. And we want to use the image to open that web page. So we want to make this, put an anchor point and get a hyperlink on this image. So let's go back into the HTML document here. And now in front of this image, here is the image. So on each side of this image, we're going to put an anchor point. So we'll put an anchor point in front, and we'll put the closed anchor point behind. Now this anchor point is to be a hyperlink. So the attribute of the anchor point is it's a hyperlink reference, and the file is called remora.htm. That's the actual web page that we want to link. So let's have a look at this now. We'll save that, and now we'll run this. It's Remora 2. Open with Internet Explorer. Now here we have it, and look, now the hand, see the hand appearing over the image, and down here you'll notice where the link is going to be directed. We're linking it to remora.htm. It is now, just like we could hyperlink text, we could use images to hyperlink. So let's click on the image, and it will open the page remora.htm. And there is our task for today. So before I go though, I want to make reference to this alt here. Now we've looked. Why is this here? The name of the image is Remora logo. If we change this, if it cannot find the image, let's call it 99. There is no Remora 99. But if we cannot find the image, let's run this. Open with Internet Explorer. It can't find it, and it's got here the the name of the image, and it's really that's hyperlinked. It's still hyperlinking. So there's something wrong with the image. So the actual alt gives the wording that we appear. So let's go back, save, and refresh. Good, and it's back again. Well, practice that, get good at it, and until we talk again, stay happy.